Hello learners, how are you? Hope you people are well. So today we are going to do something very interesting, and that is that you already have done so much work on paint. You have done drawing, coloring, or edited the pictures, or cropping, etc. So today we are going to do something like of drawing and painting or coloring, but with an amazing tool, and that's very nice and offered by Google. So let's have a look on that. So after opening from Gmail account or Google account, we will first click on these 9 dots to go on Jamboard. So how we will go? You can find it here. Yes, this is Jamboard. So I'll click on it, and when I'll click on it, all the jams I have made for my students, they have been appeared on my screen. I have designed so many worksheets, and it's really easy to use them or upload them in Google Classroom as well. So this is an amazing tool. Let's do work with it. So for creating a new jam, we will click on it, click on this plus option. So here comes my new jam. So first I want to introduce the tools it has. So it has so many interesting tools for making the worksheets, for assigning the students in such an amazing task. You can see from this button, from this option, we can change the background. Here I have some of the lighter backgrounds, okay, and I can upload any image as well from my own files or from Google search or from my drive. Okay, so I have some other options as well. I'm going to tell you. This is the pen, and we can change the pen or the type of markers. We have the pen and the marker, highlighter, and the brush. So whatever we use, whatever we want to use on our jam, we can use, and by this option we can erase everything. And if I have to undo all what I have done, so I can use this option to undo all my work what I have done. So in this way I have declared frame now. Okay, one more option is here of clear frame, but if you have done so much things, so many things, and you want to erase everything, then you can clear your frame by clicking on this option. So this is the selecting tool when you want to select any image and you want to drag and drop there. So by using this select tool, you can select any image, any text box, etc. So this is the sticky note. By using the sticky note, you can write anything, you can give the instructions to your students, you can ask them to do anything by using this sticky note option. And then add image, you can add any image, multiple images you can add to your jams for assigning the students any task. Okay, so then here's a tool of circle, so it can draw the shape. Okay, by help of this you can draw the shape however you want. You can draw a circle and then you can edit it. Okay, so here's a text box. Here's the option of the text box. You can take that and you can take the text box of any size. You can write the instructions or whatever you want to write. So I can type anything, whatever the instructions I can want to give to my students. Then the last tool what I have, this is the laser. If I am taking any virtual session and I want to highlight any area, or I want to tell my students about any specific thing, I can use this tool of the laser. So that's very nice. So let's start the work with it. So first thing I will do is to clear the frame. So I have done it, and all the things I had done on this, they are cleared now. Nothing is now on my jam. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a worksheet for the beginners. So what I'm going to do, I can upload an image what I have already saved in my system. So here comes my desktop and a world map. So we are going with a world map. I can ask the students to color different areas such as Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. I can ask them to do this thing as well. I can ask my students to color the different continents with different color. I can ask the students to locate different countries, or I can ask them to place drag and drop activity also we can use here. So let's start with it. So first thing I'll have to do, I want to give the instructions to my students. So I'm taking the sticky notes and I'm going to choose this color. Okay, so differentiate, differentiate the Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, comma, Tropic of Capricorn, and equator. Okay, and equator with different colors. So I can give them the multiple task as well. So you can see I have given this sticky note now. Okay, so I can resize this sticky note as I want, however I want. Okay, I can add multiple tasks here, as I told you that I can ask them to color the different continents, color, differentiate between the land and water for the very beginners, for the pre-primary students. So they can brush, they can use different tools, and we can ask them to use different tools for doing this work. Okay, so you can see that I have taken red brush, so can see I can color it. I can use the highlighter as well for coloring. Oh, my coloring and drawing is so bad. Anyway, so this is how we can do work on Google Jamboard. We can make the drag and drop activities as well for the students. So how we'll make the drag and drop activities, I'll share within my another tutorial. Okay, so love, have a nice day and goodbye.